Welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'm going to show you how do you change your Firefox, Mozilla Firefox theme to a dark or light theme. Okay, right now it's actually light theme color. I can change it to dark color. So how to do that? Basically go to Tools, under your menu, Settings, under General here. Okay, scroll down, there's a Language and Appearance tab. Okay, now it's actually light color. You can change it to dark color. It will become dark color like now. Dark color. Okay, dark color theme. So basically that's it. That's how to change the theme to dark color. Okay, if you want it to be revert back to light, you change it back to light. Light color. Dark color. Okay, say dark color. Google is actually dark color. Google.com, dark color. And then I'm going to change it back to light color. I'm going to refresh this. It will become, okay, it will take a while to become white color. So basically that's how to actually change the website appearance light and dark color in Mozilla Firefox browser. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.